The SNES Classic is already selling out pre-order units as soon as they become available, but Nintendo of America head Reggie Fils-Aimé says you shouldn't worry about getting a console, and to not spend too much on third-party sites like eBay. I'm going to make millions of these units to flow into the marketplace, Fils-Aimé told the Financial Times. But what I don't know is what the demand is going to be. And there is a potential that demand is going to outstrip supply. The demand is definitely here, with pre-orders already sold out across every outlet. However, according to Fils-Aimé, this is because of the retailers and not a supply issue. It's something that is outside our Nintendo's control. One of the issues is production choke points, or when manufacturing cannot keep up with demand. While Fils-Aimé did confirm there are multiple choke points, he didn't want to share much more than that. There is not one choke point, there are multiple choke points, he said. I won't go into any more detail, but it's not just one component. Nintendo's has a spotty track record when it comes to producing enough units of a particular product. Dating all the way back to the Wii, Nintendo has made getting a console a hassle, except the Wii U. I remember waiting in a line outside a Walmart in April 2007, 5 months after the Wii's initial release, just to get one. The Switch is still selling out whenever stores get new shipments. Even Amiibo can be hard to get sometimes. Of course, the most direct comparison is with an SNES Classic, which released last year and is already out of production. Many Nintendo fans couldn't get one when it was released, and now must either miss out completely or buy from a third party. Sites like eBay do have SNES Classics, but some auctions are over $200 for an item with a $60 MSRP. Despite the company's history of product shortages, Fils-Aimé is confident there will be enough SNES Classics to go around. I would strongly urge you not to overbid on an SNES Classic on any of the auction sites. You shouldn't have to pay more than $79.99, he said. So what do you think? Did you manage to snag an SNES Classic pre-order already? Do you think Nintendo has learned its lesson with an SNES Classic? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below.